Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the YouTube intros. So in the YouTube intros, you have to scroll little down and you can see the various Instagram posts. You can have logos. We are having YouTube thumbnails. Then you have posters. You can have Facebook posts. Presentations are there. Facebook covers are there. YouTube channel art is there. You can create your own videos. Blog banners are there. Animated social media is there. Instagram stories are there. Social media, A4 documents, your stories, and you have the option of YouTube intros. So intro is something which I want to put in front of my video. Fine. So here we are having lots of options for this, and we are going to work on this in this video. Fine. So I'm going to select, see, these are all YouTube intros part, and if you want to use any of them, you can have them. So I need this colorful brush strokes like this, and I want such kind of intro for my this course intro. Fine. So we can select and we can change the text. That is very easy. You have to select the text which you want to change and just delete the content and you can write your content. So learner centric content design tools. Fine. You can stretch it like this if you want to stretch it, and if you think you want to reduce the size little bit, you can have here 135. I guess if I select, it will be little bit okay, it's fine. And fueled by a love for the arts, in place of this I'm going to write empowering educators for tomorrow. Fine, this is my tagline for this course. So I am empowering the educators for tomorrow, and this is kind of an intro I want to use for my video. Fine. So here I'm going to the download option, and I can have the MP4 beta video as a beta type, and you can have it's PNG, it's JPG, or those things. I want to select the MP4. I'll just select on the download option and it start preparing my design, and I can add music in that. That will be covered in another video, how you can add some music in on the background of your this kind of MP4 videos, and then how we can join the two videos together. So that will be covered in the another video, but here in this video I just wanted to tell you how I have created the intro, YouTube intro part for my videos which I'm going to put on the YouTube for all of you. So it has been prepared, just few more seconds and it should be done. Just few seconds more and this design will be downloaded to my desktop screen. You don't need to have to cancel, but yes, of course, it's a MP4. It takes some little time. Yes, it has been published successfully, and see, my video has been downloaded here. If I select this, if I open this, this will open. See, it has already given the music. You can change the music also. It has given the intro for 5 seconds. See. So this is the first video, first intro part which I want to have as a for my this course. Fine. Now in the next slide I want to give the name of myself, that this course is being designed by me, and I am the author of this course. So for that we can have we can go back to the home screen and I can have more intros. Fine. So these are the few intros, and if you want to use any of the intros like this, you can have this page. See, if you are using some of the food channel, you can go with this intro. Then yes, this is very good. The principles of animation, a primer for beginners. So this is the very beautiful frame I found it, that can be used for that. If you want to see other options, you can go down and you can have the other options, but that option is really cool for my, you know, second for my name. So I'm going to select this. When I select this, it will be like this. Fine. Now you have to give, of course I have given the name. Here I'm going to have my details. Miss Mandeep Kaur, Assistant Professor. Fine. Department of Computer Science and Applications. Fine. So here assistant professor should be little small. Department of Computer Science and Application should be also small. I think 96 is fine. And I want this content to be right aligned. So I'll select whole, and then I'm going to have it like this. Yes. And you can have it like this also. Fine. So you can have this little, I can reduce the size like this also. So this is appropriate. Here I want to write convener. Fine. So this is a convener place. I have used this. Now I just want to download it. You can have this and you can see the options. I'm escaping this and I want to download it with this option. So here you will get this animated intro and a YouTube intro like this, and you can join these two videos and then you can put this in front of your videos. So in this way you can have your YouTube intros. Fine. This has also been downloaded. We can rename it later on. I just want to say it so that you can see. See. Fine. So this slide is not having any of the music. We can add the music later on. Stay tuned, and in the next videos we are also going to explore few more features of the Canva. Bye.